start of school and fall approaching, I thought it'd be a good idea to do a video about planting some fall vegetables. So I have a garden here of a bunch of summer vegetables, but fall ones are a little different because fall, you can have some freezing happen and your vegetables will be okay. So a lot of times those kind of vegetables are leafy greens or root vegetables. So I'm just showing you kind of how I'm doing this, and we'll keep an eye on these plants throughout the fall and we'll see how they do. So I have some bumper crop soil. It's really high quality soil. And I'm placing it into my drained pot here. What I'm going to put in this pot is called escarole, which is like spinach, but it's a little bit thicker. And it's a fall crop because it can handle some freezing at night. So some freezing means that it can be 32 degrees at night, and it actually makes the plant a little bit better. All my summer plants will die if it freezes at night. Even if it's a little bit cold, they can't really handle it. So I want to make sure I drain. I just put some holes in the pot because actually before this I had some carrots that I didn't drain, and the soil got really gross and it started to smell, and my carrots didn't come out very well. So that's why I made sure I put some drainage in this one. I'm not going to fill this all the way because I have to save some of my good soil. But I'll show you what the escarole plants look like. So these aren't from seed. They're in a tray like this. I got them from the garden center. And you can see they kind of look like spinach with their leaves. You can eat it like spinach, and it actually is a lot more hardy. So I'm going to take all four, and I'm actually going to put them about an inch deep in the soil. Pop them out. Usually just squeeze and pull. You can see all their roots, all their beautiful roots. Alright, so we have all four planted in there. Now I could raise my soil up a little bit more, and as they start to grow I might do that. I'm going to keep up with watering them regularly, and hopefully we get some delicious escarole out of it. Alright, so another cold weather crop that I have is this. Can you guess what this is? It's actually broccoli. So again, I have my soil filled up. I'm going to squeeze and pop the plant out. I'm going to dig about 3/4 of an inch. Place it in and cover it up. And again, I'm going to plant all four in here. But if you ever have an in-ground garden, it's probably going to work a little bit better. I don't have one this year, so I'm just using containers. And they've done pretty well so far in the summer. So if this looks a little bit familiar, it's because the broccoli should grow up the middle, and this part will eventually be the hard stem of the broccoli. That part I usually don't like. Alright, and we have our broccoli planted with our escarole, so we'll keep up with the two of those plants throughout September and October, and hopefully they will be ready to harvest by the end of October.